Hi everyone, it's Josh, that spiritual energy guy. Welcome to Spiritual Energy Wellness. Welcome to today's video. As always, be relaxed, joyful, and inspired. Today's video is going to be about how to find power and joy at the same time and use that power and joy in conjunction with each other. Alrighty, so this is going to be in 3 parts. So first part you want to do, and this is before the first part, as always, you want to relax. So breathe into your nose, breathe out your mouth, relax your body. Then once you relax your body, you can close your eyes and imagine a joyful thought. So once you get through imagining that joyful thought, then the next thing you want to do is have that joyful thought enter your mind. Take a few minutes, few seconds to really think about that joyful thought or some joyful memory or something that brings you joy. Then you want to have the feelings of that particular event that you're imagining to then, which is step 2, is to then filter those feelings down into your heart. And then you can feel the feeling of joy in your heart. And then once you get through feeling the feeling of joy in your heart, then you want to take that feeling and take it into your gut and hold your hands at your stomach. Again, you want to take your hand, put it one above your belly button, one below your belly button, and just feel into that feeling of joy into your stomach area. And what that does is it fills your body with joy and power at the same time. Alrighty, so we're going to go through those steps one more time because it's a little bit different from regular videos I usually give. And I'm going to do this flow all together at once. And I'm going to go slow as possible. Alrighty, so the first thing you want to do is relax your body. Close your eyes, and once you relax your body and close your eyes, imagine a joyful thought. Once you imagine a joyful thought, one thing that can help you do is you want to imagine a joyful thought, and then the feelings from that thought allow it to fill your heart. You can even put your hands right above your heart without touching it, or touching it, doesn't matter, as long as you fill your heart with joy. Once you fill your heart with joy, then you want to take your hands either in front or even touching your stomach area, around this area. You want to take that and just feel into the joy coming from your mind, imagine it, to your heart, filling with joy, and then have that feeling of joy go down into your stomach area and just relax into that feeling that fills your stomach. And then sit with it for a few minutes and really enjoy that feeling of joy coming down from your memory of a joyful event, having those feelings fill your heart, and then having those feelings then come down into your belly area. And then once you're done with that, just relax as normal, and then open your eyes. Alrighty, everybody. Thank you for watching today's video. As always, be relaxed, joyful, and inspired. Peace, pleasure, much prosperity to you all.